recently evicted housemate from the All-Star season. Princess, welcome to the house. How about you?
Thank you.
What happened? I guess you not want to do interview before now. True, most start from there. What happened? Were you over pressure, underwhelmed, or surprised at what happened inside the house?
All of the above.
All of the above. But what's gonna make you change your mind?
I think I had time to relax.
To reflect.
And just look on the bright side. It was a shock, definitely.
It was a shock.
But why be shocked? Okay, now say at the time, a few years ago, when you also participate for the Big Brother, because this is an all-star season, you also be the first set to leave. Then coming back, thinking, oh, I they come with a brand new strategy, vibe, and the rest. Then the thing can't repeat it. And I shock you.
Yes, now. So that's, I need to go and ask God why.
But before you enter there, you suppose don't re-strategize. Say, okay, maybe what happen in Natic Bogo do not repeat itself again. You didn't work on those strategy?
What strategy apart from being yourself?
But you and I know, say, being yourself in Big Brother has not a work. Being yourself, that they always make people quick come up for the house now.
It's tough, but at least I don't want to do anything that I'm going to regret. So I have to do what I'll be at peace with.
So what do you really, if we say, okay, a quick one for my colleague answer the next question, right? What do you feel point to now say you do inside the house when you feel say it did yourself, it did natural, when it's supposed to keep you inside the house, but it don't keep you?
You know what? I didn't watch myself. People were watching me.
So when you came out from the last one, you get opportunity to watch
people. But for me, I'm fabulous.
Okay.
So people always have opinions, but as long as my friends and family love me, that's all that matters. You do like this problem, you do like this problem.
Okay. So I want to ask, because by the time the whole eviction process, Shelley on Sunday, and we can't see how the voting take place. We can't find out, say, no be you, or even you get the lowest
lowest vote.
But based on the new, introduction of the former housemate, we come act as jury, and now the three of them actually write your name, before the eviction actually happened. I think Sheyi actually get the lowest.
Now Sheyi get the lowest vote.
So I don't know what you feel about the fact, say, no be you actually get the lowest, because normally they go talk, say people actually voted for you, and the vote of the people should actually count. Like people, they always talk, but unfortunately, now the jury them, now then decide your fate. So what do you feel about that?
Wow, honest question. Well, first of all, Big Brother's house, Big Brother's rules. I'm always a guest in Big Brother's house. Secondly, there are so many unanswered questions in Nigeria. INEC, traffic, dollar.
But this one concerns Big Brother.
No, this one concerns actually you. Because if not me now, I feel I get cheated, because I even get more votes, compared to other people where they sit inside the house.
What to do? I'm outside, so why don't I focus on my business? I have two businesses, Fashion Addict and Prima Donna Beauty.
Okay.
We stock premium cosmetics and skincare, as well as upscale.
Now, what do you do before you enter the house?
Yeah, so...
Okay. Just to say, that's you saying now, say you not really send, if you not be the person to support, when supposed to come on the house, but the jury make you come on, you not send that decision, you not send the idea. Now you try talk?
No be say I no send them, but who I won't fight?
No, you don't fight it, but you need to speak out in pattern. Because some people just be like, okay, when they conduct election, people vote for one particular person, then next thing they announce on that person because of backyard decision when you make, when the public.
I feel bad for my fans because they're the ones that took the time to
vote, but the vote not can reflect based on the jury.
Yeah, so they are the ones to protest. People they write petition, maybe they open page write petition to Big Brother. But me, we go the house, I don't try, don't do my best.
So wait till you go talk, say now your high moments in the house, your low moments, and
high moment, low moment. High moment was first of all getting a mail to come back for All Stars. First of all, that's a big deal.
Now just your speak code and not be so now apply.
No application. I was doing my nails.
So why you feel say they say may princess come back? You not just say they feel say you have something to offer, and
I still have a lot to offer.
But All Stars not feel happen second time.
That's fine. I've been there already. At least I did All Stars now. A lot of people no go.
So wait till your own lowest moments now for the house.
Again, another eviction, but my lowest moment was really the confusion. There's a lot going on in the house, and 5 years can take a toll on how you want to present yourself. So seeing everything that was going on in the house, I knew I did not want to present myself that way. It's not as if I cannot.
When you mean that way, which kind of way? Like the whole bitter, quarrel way,
toxic
way, where it be like the normal format for Big Brother.
Exactly. I can't just make up. I'm not fake, so I can't just make up.
Hold on, you try to say those when they form those toxic now fake people that be inside the house.
Now you talk up.
No, I they try to clear with your yarns.
But now you they talk up now. Now you talk up.
No, but now the direction when they go be that. So if you say those people inside, those reflection when they paint, when they make people they support them, they say hey, team this, team that. Now fake lifestyle when they derive.
I don't know whether I fake now.
Because you just say not to do that kind of thing.
Because no be waiting I'm not like that. So I can't make it up. Yes.
So that means anybody when they don't make it up.
If the person fit they like that, or if they make them up, their choice, their prerogative. Me, I'm not like that. Me, I'm peaceful, calm. If you come for me, you go collect. But nobody come for me, so I don't. So
they no collect.
Yes.
All right. So one of the most talked housemates, at a point, I think for like almost 2 weeks now, Ilebaye, and say we they watch from outside. Now they inside the house now you and the rest of them live with them. You feel say any form of bullying, they on top and based on the fact that she be the youngest housemate in the house.
Not just her attitude, they warrant such arrangements.
No bullying now. Everybody there is an adult, and bullying is against Big Brother's rules. You can't bully.
But why can't be say
bully if they physical? If they vocal,
No, nobody they bully anybody there.
So all waiting happen around when you inside the house. All waiting happen between Ilebaye and every other housemate. You feel is natural.
She's a young girl. And
now wait all of una they tell her
she's
young
trying
girl,
to make the best of her second child.
Yeah.
So if she feels that is what would put her out there, gaslighting and all of that, it's
you feel say Ilebaye they gaslight other people.
Everybody cannot have a problem with one person. Then
the person are the problem. If everybody has a problem with that person,
I don't know. But I know that she has.
Princess, talk with your full chest. Nobody will beat you. Talk
and I did talk with my full chest. Now listen to the one where they talk. I know she has prospects. I know she's going to grow up. I know she's going to do better than being a Gen Z baddie and so
Gen Z baddie. Okay. Now the terminology when they describe these young children.
Now she talk and say she be Gen Z baddie.
Coming to you right now, it be like if you get man interest for inside the house, but it could be like other people can't get the same interest with you. So why be say out of the whole house that Neo be the hottest guy inside the house?
Oh, Neo. Neo is a nice guy. He's a good listener. He's somebody you can talk to. So and in that house, you definitely need your own people, a little bit of distraction, so that you can stay sane.
So when you come find out, you not really get interest. What can happen?
I get boyfriend now. I know this.
Your billionaire boyfriend. Your billionaire boyfriend. So mention him like that.
A quick one.
Billionaire boyfriend.
We see a video of you and it be like, oh, I can't do that. I have a billionaire boyfriend. Come like, hey, now you tag me this. Voila, for those of us who never ever get millions. So first of all, you get billionaire boyfriend. Why you see the poor for million naira? Princess, I want to know. Why your boyfriend will be billionaire allow you go
120 million naira show.
Where be small change? How much it be for a billion?
Compared to billions.
Because he cannot control my life decisions. He will let me live the best of my life, so I don't have any regrets. So
giving you the money no mean say will control your life.
No, even if he give me the money.
But he don't give you more than that money before, since you not done the date.
That one I procure the fine.
Princess Talker, he don't give you that kind of since you not done the date. And how long you and this billionaire boyfriend did date?
You want make a put sideboard? Boyfriend this castle.
You know what made a sharer?
No, please.
I beg this clothes where you were from your brand.
Yes, this is Fashion Edit X Amical.
Okay, it's very beautiful though.
Oh, now one of your brand with this. You say you're also doing all those makeup and I see why your skin they pop in this shine.
Popping princess. So for you now, who you go talk to? They be your top 5, for the house right now.
That question. That game is constantly changing.
You know, be like it be before.
Not at all.
Not chaos now.
Not at all. So I really cannot predict.
For now, so far, with the people when you stay inside the house with, you not people had Neo join.
Everybody then a star now. That's why it's called All Stars. Anybody can be the winner, really. Anybody. So, and then again, audience, they very interestingly, they are very biased.
The audience, right?
Yeah. So
you feel say because they don't get favorite already, so they're not the evil local. Whether this guy they bring something else or this baby brings something else, they just want to remember for that same place.
No, it depends on what they want to see.
It So you saying audience they bias, you feel say audience want see.
It depends on
Chris.
what the audience watching it want to see. So who's giving the best of what they want to see would have won.
So if now violence, the majority of the audience now they go
Exactly.
they go towards that. So whoever know they bring violence, they bring some positivity, you
like
not
now,
get chance.
the first come out, like,
Now you.
So I want to ask another question right now. You get one statement where Pere actually make, about the female housemates in the house.
Tell me.
He said the female waiting you don't notice so far. Say they be you mentioned
Una
some
be
PP
ogbin
words where we say we know if you mention on radio.
So can be when dirty people.
Say
Wow.
the
So now not
girls
they clean,
say-
now not they cook.
Exactly.
You they shock you.
You shock me.
But you cook for your time inside the house.
Of course, yes.
When?
I was always cooking.
Noodles?
My food. No, I don't even
You
eat
cook for yourself, just for yourself.
myself and a few others.
But you they clean after you cook.
No,
Because there are
man.
points. It was a discussion between
Yeah.
Kidwire and Perry. They say the women here, no,
Yeah.
so dirty, so
So dirty,
fitty.
yeah, exactly.
So now be your big when. So we know they
wow.
clean.
Wow,
Eh.
and all of us did the same house.
Yeah. So actually, I don't know. Like when they make that
house is
statement.
gender neutral.
Aha.
So if we
Okay.
if
Now-
you're dirty,
So now
everybody's
both of
dirty.
them. Now both man
But
and
more
woman.
they sincere in reality. I think now the men, I don't see more for kitchen. Doing the cleaning, doing the sweeping. The ladies, they just did a little bit
Cooking
relaxed. I
is
think
a-
now waiting ginger them. No, it's not even an option of gender competition right now.
But it
It's,
is.
I did one. Why the other person not did one?
What other women did. So cooking is a life-saving skill. It's not
for both
it's
gender.
For both genders. So
But who not cook, not
nobody
suppose-
carry house help come there.
I love that.
So
Okay. So now why some people, if they decide make and their own way of cooking, they'll tag and strategy. Okay.
So what next for you now before we see you off? Waiting be the message you get for Princess fans. I don't know, waiting be your fans, waiting be their
You
names.
don't give them name.
Royal Clan.
Royal Clan.
Beautiful name.
Okay.
Most of my fans are very relaxed like me.
Gay,
reserved
gay.
and
They don't like
relaxed.
violence.
No.
Very respectable people.
They're just very modest, minding their business.
And they get billionaire boyfriends too.
I wish all of them that, That's a beautiful place to be.
A beautiful prayer to their mailbox.
Yes, sir. Yes,
To their neighbors, not be like.
to their mailbox.
Okay. So
Anyway,
waiting the next.
moving forward, business as usual. I already have my businesses, Primadonna Beauty. Guys, please follow primadonnabeauty.ng. That's my makeup store, cosmetics, beauty supply, you name it. I have that. I have my clothing store that I was even supposed to launch before I got that mail. Hence why I went back there because, please, Big Brother.
So
thank you
it's
for
on
the
a larger
publicity.
scale right now.
Yes, yes.
So when
yes.
you launch them, invite
Fashion
us.
Addict will be launching very soon. Maybe I'll
Okay.
wait for some of my friends to
Come out.
Yeah.
So who you tag as your friends inside the house? Sissy.
Oh, well, I have a lot of friends there.
Inside the house.
I'm the most loved person there.
You are
I'm
the
I'm
most.
the peace. Only me they give peace, but
Peacemaker.
I don't like peace.
Not be also not them.
Violence.
They in that boasting.
Not them. Not be
I
us.
don't like peace, so no problem. My family like peace. Yeah.
So
Okay,
what
so-
message you get for your
Your house.
Royal Clan?
My
Yeah.
Royal Clan, thank you guys for voting. Thank you guys for supporting me. I'm sorry about what happened. I mean, I'm not
You
sorry.
don't need to apologize. That you say
about
it
what
was just you.
happened with the vote, the jury. It was out of my control. God knows best. Please just support my business, Fashion Addict and Primadonna Beauty. Come through, shop with me, and I love you.
Okay, a step back just on that jury. If they give you chance right now, say Princess being the first person to be evicted outside of the house because of the jury decision, even though say not get the lawyer's vote, you have the choice to remove this
Jury.
and leave only voting. Wait till you go. Wait
Will
till
I
you
go
go.
back inside? If they do that, I have to start. They
No,
have to
you
start
have
again.
friends there. Make sure make the
no.
decision not be a bad you,
No,
maybe
no,
a
no,
bad. No, you know if you say
no.
what you face, make the rest people face
No,
and
they
you have an
can't use-
opportunity. If you had the opportunity to make a change right now, say, oh, Princess, make a decision. Should we remove this jury and leave the just voting so that my friends there go get fair
Then they go
eviction?
first take me back inside, then remove the jury.
Then you like
we'll
violence.
try
You they
it.
pretend. You like violence, Princess. You they disguise. Anyway, your social media
okay.
handles.
Yes,
yeah.
guys, please follow me on Instagram at IamPrincess_official, on Twitter at IamPrincessO, and my business handles Fashion Addict fashion_addict.ng and primadonnabeauty.ng.
Okay.
Follow me. Money needs to be made.
Steadily. More money.
Thank
No,
you.
now billionaire girlfriend don't need more money.
I
now.
still
Why
need
they do
money.
like
I
this?
take God back.
Princess, not they do like this.
Dangote
Give the
don't
money for us.
tire. Dangote don't tire.
Wait, we never ask how be this boyfriend. Not the
Ah,
don't
She
mention
no fit
Dangote
carry
name, so me I not
placard,
going to
no.
suspect you.
Aproko.
Billionaire for this country not too plenty. We'll just name 5. We'll know one.
Aproko.
All right,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much. You
God
get any
bless you.
Naija song where you want me to see you off with?
Aquafina.
Aquafina.
Johnny,
Yeah.
Young John,
Yeah, Young John, I love
So
Young
we'll give you
John.
that one. Me to shake body small. Thank you. Wish you success on top of your new level of doings. Yeah, certainly. We're going to watch
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you guys for having me.
Okay.